Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in the last video we talked about the logical operators, that is and or operator, and in this video we are going to see how to use another operators, that is like and between operator, and get the data from our database. So first we will see how the between operator works. So from the word itself you would like to know that is the between. So here between means the problem or the data which is between a particular range. So if you are using a between operator, then you can get the data of that particular item in a particular range, that is from X to Y. That is, let's take an example that if I want the data of the employees whose salary is between 5,000 to 10,000. So here the range is 5,000 to 10,000. So I'll get the data between these two numbers. So this is the logic, or this is how the between operator works. So let us see it with the help of the queries, or how we can write it in the queries. So let us first see the tables. So now suppose here I am taking the table that is employee. So I will write. So here is the table. Now suppose I want the salary, that I want the data, that is get the data from our database whose increment of the salary is between 500 to 700 for suppose, right? So here if suppose we are not having this table, so how we can write it? It would be as, so it will be like select star from employee as I want all the columns where increment. So here the column is increase. So here I will write where increase is between. So increase, the particular column is between. So I have decided this 5,000 and 500 and 700, right? So here you have to write and in between so that you will get the date, so that both the conditions would be satisfied. As in the last video I have told you that how and operator works. So here if we see in this table, then the increase should be between 500 to 700. So here if we see here, then there is no data between 500 and 700. So if I run it, so here it is giving me an empty set because there is no data between this, right? So here it won't include 500 and 700. It is the between. It is not less than, it is not equals to. So 500 and 700 will not be included. So here suppose I'll take that the data should be 500 and 800. So here I'm getting the data that is of 750, right? So this is how the between operator works. That is, if you have to give both the ranges in which your data should be there, and if your data is present in that particular range, then you'll get it, right? So this is how the between operator works. Let us take another example, that is for the salary, for the new salary. So let's suppose that I want the data from the database whose salary is between 3,000 to 6,000, right? So I will write. So here you can see that we are getting three datas, that is for Aman, Anita and Anamika. So here if you see, then there are also three data. So this is how the between operator work. You can also use different columns for it. You can use a try and error. If you want to practice, then you can say for any of the columns and then you can get the data. So this is how the between operator works. So now we are going to see how the like operator work. Okay, so also from the word itself, like, you can say that like is, suppose I want the food that is of red color. So I will write it as I want the food which is like red color. So its property should be like that. Like represents the property of that particular data, right? So now suppose I want, I'm taking the example from here itself, that I want the data of an employee whose name is starting with letter A. So here like will be used to show this particular property of an employee name. I'll show you how to write it. So first let me take the table here. Right. So now suppose I want to get the data, from our database whose employee name is starting with letter S. Right. So how I will write it? I will write it as, so here I have written that select star from employee where employee name. Right. So here I want the properties for the column that is employee name. Employee name. Now what is the property? That the letter should start with S. Right. So here I will write employee name like. Now, as our data type is in the string, so I will use single inverted commas. So here I have written as percentage. Now what percentage symbol means, that is your string or whatever your data is, its first letter it's starting with S, and the rest of it should be whatever you want. How many letters should be there? It is not compulsory, but your word should start with S, right? So here if we see, then it is Smith, Sil and Sneha. Here you can see I'm getting three datas, right? Now this is the letter that this is the thing which is showing you that only the first letter is this. Now suppose I want that all there is the limitation that the particular word should be of five letters only, right? So how I will represent it? So here instead of percentage you have to use underscore. So underscore symbol represents the number of places, the number of letters in that particular word. So here I want five letters. So the S is the first letter and then I'll use four underscore. Right. So now here, if I'll see, then there would be only two datas, right? That is for Smith and Sneha. So here percentage represents the whole word. It doesn't matter how many letters are there, but it is just starting with that particular letter. Underscore means it is giving us the length of our word. The letters, it represents the letters. Now suppose I want that my data should have E at the third place, right? So I will write. Now suppose I want that my third letter should be E and first letter should be S. But here the second letter should be anything and I am not bounding my word, that is it should be of this many letters only. So percentage means the whole word. So now if I'll see, then it is, so here I have taken the percentage sign, so there should be any word of any length, right? So here if you can see, then it is S and E. The third letter is E also, and here also it is third letter is E. Here it is of six letters, the word is of six letters, and this is the word of five letters. So this is how the like operator is used. That is, you can take it off any string or any data type, but here mostly like is used for the strings, because for numbers we are having the boundation of the ranges, that is between is used. But if I want to write for the words that your word should be starting with this letter and this letter, so the letter is represented like this most of the times, right? So here percentage means if you are writing percentage at the end of any letter, then it would complete the whole letter, sorry, the whole word. And if I am using underscores, then it will limit your word, and it should be like your word should be of five letters or four letters, right? And if I want to put any letter in between, that is of that particular word, that the third letter should be E or the first or the last letter should be A. Now suppose, let me give you an example, that in this table let me see that my last letter should be A, right? So here I am taking it as, I'm writing percentage A, means the word should come, but after that the last letter should be A. So here you can see all the datas, here A is at the last, right? So you can arrange the percentage at any part of your word where you want your whole word, right? So this is how the percentage and underscore symbol is used to represent for the like operator. The percentage means the whole word or to complete the whole word, right? And underscore means to limit your word, that how many letters you want at that place, right? So this is how the like and between operators are used, and in the next video we will see the use of not and in operator, that how to use not and in operator, and with the combination of that we can get our data from our database. And also in this video and from now onwards, I'll put the questions in the description box, that is the practice questions, so you can practice it, and if you have any doubt then you can ask in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in the next video.